Welcome everyone to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we shall be talking about order of performing calculations using order for calculation. There is a particular order of calculation we need to follow in calculating any mathematical expression, especially the ones with plus, minus, times, and all other binary operations in mathematics. And that order is given in this acronym PEMDAS. And PEMDAS, as seen, means parentheses, the E stands for exponential, M multiplication, D division, A addition, and N subtraction. So we'll be using this as a guide to help us in accurately determining the answer for any given mathematical statement or expression. So take for instance, we have this 3 times 2. The point here is representing times, so it's not a decimal point. Square minus 4 bracket 6 plus 2. So when we want to calculate this, we have to begin with parentheses, and parentheses are indicated here. So we start inside the brackets. 3 times 2 is 6, and then my square up minus 4, 6 plus 2 is 8. Next thing is to square, that's exponential. 6 squared is 36. And I won't subtract because the next thing that follows after exponential is multiplication, and that's 4 brackets 8, because this bracket here means time. So 4 times 8 is 32. So I can now subtract, and that's 4. Okay, now giving another expression for us to solve and understand this concept better. Let's take this question. 6 minus the absolute value of 5 minus 8 plus 3, 4 minus 1. Okay, so the first thing, we have to work within each parenthesis. So take this as a parenthesis, we also take this as a parenthesis. So that's 6 minus the absolute value of 5 minus 8. What does absolute value does? It turns negative numbers to positive numbers. We are only concerned about the magnitude of a quantity inside an absolute expression. So the absolute value of negative 3 is simply 3, because 5 minus 8 is minus 3, and the absolute value of minus 3 is 3. So I can still write it down and then work within this bracket. That's 4 minus 1 is 3. So I have 6 minus, this minus 3 will become 3, and then I'll multiply. 3 times 3 is 9. So my final answer will be 6 minus 3 is 3, and then 3 plus 9 is 12. So that's how we can solve that. I'll give us one more question to solve, following the right order for calculating them. So take this question down. 7, 5 times 3, I can put that times minus 2 square brackets 6 minus 3 minus 4 square plus 1. I would like you to pause the video and solve this one. Okay. First, we'll begin with the brackets. Anything that is presenting a parenthesis. So 5 times 3 is 15. Minus 2. 6 minus 3 is 3. And then exponential follows. 4 squared is 16. Oh, sorry. I should have put a 1 here. That's plus 1. And then I have 7 times 15 is 105 minus 2. 3 minus 16 is negative 13 plus 1. So I have 105 minus 2 times 2 minus 13 is positive 26 plus 1. So I should have my final answer as 132. Alright, I'm sure we might have 131 the first time if I added this plus 1. So the correct answer is 132. Thanks so much for watching.